Today we talk about how can you select rotation days on your score planner app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign here. So you just click here in this sign. So then it's going to show for you list like this here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on timetable and calendar, just click on it. So then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, just go down. So you keep going down here, click here on rotation days, you just click on it. So then it's going to show for you list like this here, and here you select rotation days, then you click on select, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.